This question is on potential divider where it involves a input transducer, which is a light dependent resistor LDR, and also connected in series with a 500 ohms resistor, and the voltage lines is held at plus 30 volt and 0 volt, meaning to say it's like the EMF is 30 volt. And you're also given that the resistance of the LDR, okay, will be 1000 ohms in the dark when the light intensity is low, or it will decrease to 100 ohms in the bright light. So let's start with redrawing this diagram to something that you are more familiar with. Alright, so as mentioned, you can treat this 2 point here like an EMF of 30 volt that you are familiar with. And then there's the LDR that's connected in series with a 500 ohms resistor. And usually this is like they ask for the potential difference between X and Y, which is like your V out that you're familiar with. Okay, so this is the kind of diagram that you always see in your worksheet or textbook. So they are the same. So the question asks you for the change in your potential difference when the LDR is placed in a dark room, then it moves to a bright room. So that means to say the LDR is from dark to a brighter room. Alright, so the resistance actually changes from 1000, it will change to 100 ohms. So let's do the calculation. Let's assume it's in the dark, and so the V out here or the V across your XY, they are similar. So do you remember the potential divider formula? So right now is 1000, and over the total units, okay, you're going to sum these two total units together. Is 1000 plus the 500, so that will be 1005 on at the denominator, and times the EMF 30 volt. So what you're finding is basically like what fraction of the 30 volt is taken up by the LDR or the V out, because they are the same. All right, if you work it out, that will be 20 volt. All right, so let's find when it is bright. Okay, it's in the light, so your VXY now, what fraction will it be? So this will be 100 now, and this will still be 500 because it's a fixed resistor. So there will be 100 over the 100 plus 500 times 30 volt, and you can find the answer. This will be 5 volt. So that means when the LDR is moved from a dark room to a bright room, the potential difference will change from 20 volt to 55 volt. So it will be a fall of 20 to 5. So the answer will be B. All right, thank you.